This is just one out of the 12,000 websites we're currently hosting on Profit Hub. Here's another one. And there are so many more that cover every topic from Udemy lookalikes to video news to anything you want. With integrated SSL certificates, there are no limits to what you can do with Profit Hub. All you have to do is go to your login screen, fill out the login information, log in. From here, we can start adding email inboxes, domains. So let's take it step by step. Let's first add our new email. It's as simply as typing in your email address, profithub@apponline.cloud. We'll create a custom password for us, have it unlimited, and edit. Bam, done. We can add mailboxes, an email box, aliases, groups, anything we want from emails, domains, FTP accounts, MySQL, as well as edit your own htaccess files and then go into Softaculous. First up, let's just add our first domain. Adding a domain is as easy as clicking on add and then simply typing your address. For example, let's just say it's profithub.com. We check it. We can select the PHP version depending on what we have available and then simply click add and done. From here, we can then give it a new SSL certificate if we click right here, and we can generate this certificate by clicking on generate all with Let's Encrypt. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to purchase any SSL certificates, you don't have to waste any more money. We do it all for you. From here, you just pick your alternative name, usually just profithub.com is enough, your email address, and then click generate and it's done. Going back to our main dashboard, you can have full control over your account. So you can add new users as easy as adding them right here, selecting their own permissions. For example, if you want to sell Profit Hub features as a service, that's also possible, as you can edit anything they have access to, as well as locking certain domains. You can view logs, you can see recent visitors, and also set a 2FA authentication. But let's quickly install WordPress. So if we go to Softaculous, here we can see a bunch of different scripts we can automatically install onto our account. But let's go for WordPress. Installing WordPress is as easy as choosing the protocol, the domain you want, which is going to go with apponline.cloud. The directory, I'm just going to choose WP. Everything can stay the same. We can select our own theme. And then I'll just tell them to email the installation details to my email. We wait a couple of minutes and done. We just have installed WordPress on our domain. So now if we go to it, there we go. And we also just received the email for it. If we go to it, we're going to see the WordPress we just installed with the theme we just selected. And we can do this with hundreds of other scripts Softaculous offers for you. With automated backups, access to real-time statistics, and your own file manager, as well as training videos from how to create your account to installing WordPress and using difficult scripts, Profit Hub has got you covered from all angles. There is really nothing that can limit you when you're using Profit Hub. So go ahead, make that purchase, take advantage of this unlimited offer, and I can't wait to see you inside.